Hello, I'm KJ from Bojio Gadget. Today I would like to teach you how to install UV curve screen guard. Once you receive the screen guard, inside the box have the UV light, cleaning toolkit, cardboard, and the UV curve screen protector. First, we need to remove the existing screen protector on the top. And then open the cleaning toolkit. Inside got the dust absorber, alcohol wipe, and the fiber coat. And we open the wet wiper, clean out the screen. And then use another dry wiper to clean out all the alcohol. After that, we use the fiber coat, clean out the screen. We open the screen protector. This part you need to pay attention because UV curve screen protector total have 3 layers. You need to make sure all the 3 layers tear off. Use the sticker, stick on the left and right side. Adjust the position accurately. Use the cardboard, push out all the bubble. You can start from the left or right. When you pull out got any dust on the screen, please use the dust absorber remove. Use the cardboard, push slowly, remove the button layer. After done, we continue another side. If your smartphone is curved screen, please make sure all the side edge angle is installed correctly. We use the sticker stick on the top and remove it. The top layer is removed. If got any bubble inside the screen guard, please use the fiber coat, put on the top on your finger and press it slowly. After remove all the bubble and the line, the final step, use the UV light. You will receive the micro USB or USB Type-C. Please use your existing cable to power up. And then use the wet alcohol wiper to clean out again. Use the fiber coat, clean out the screen surface. This screen protector have the with cover version or full screen version. Please do the remark to us. And the screen protector hardness will become 3H. If you are interested for this UV curve screen protector from Rockspace, the link will put below the description. Thank you.